dot on your eyelid, finger,
Yeah.
tap.
Oh, that's pretty.
How stunning is
That's
this?
so nice.
Done. An eye look, dare I say, 2 seconds?
Quickest eye look ever.
Isn't it? This is my friend Katie.
Hi.
I'm also called Katie. I'm a professional makeup artist. This is the answer to people that haven't got a clue about eyeshadow, but want a really quick and easy eye look that makes your natural eye colour pop and gives the effect that brings the eyelid forward. Because I think as we age and this gets a little bit heavier, a quick lift to your eye, this, and it's a luminescent
So pretty.
shade that works on every eye colour, every skin tone, and looks absolutely stunning. What's more, you can blend it out so it goes really, really subtle and sheer, like a no makeup look.
Oh, that's nice.
Katie, are you ready to give this a go?
Yeah, I want to have all of those things that you just said.
Okay, this is how easy it is to apply. You're going to do a little dot on your eyelid. As soon as you've dotted it, you're going to go backwards and forwards like a little windscreen wiper just on your lid. It's instant. Now, I've done this one quite natural and this one a little bit more. If you want to make it a little bit more, you can see the luminescence starts to really pop now. When the light hits your eye, it's going to bring your eyelid forward and make your eyes look bigger, which in turn is just going to create a little lift.
The difference that it makes
I
just
know.
like that.
Let's have a look at the before and after. I mean, very subtle, but so, so pretty. Shall we do the smudge-proof challenge?
Yes, please.
We're going to really, really rub our eye. Still there. And do you know what's even better?
What?
It's sweat-proof, humidity-proof,
yes, that's what I like.
smudge-proof. Katie, what do you think? Has this converted you into wearing an eye look?
Yes, absolutely. That was so easy.
If you'd like to know more about this little gem, I've put everything in the link below. We hope you love this too. Bye.
Bye.